我に全てを委ねよ。さすれば貴様らは救われるのだ。
ああ、白雪姫が私のものにならないなら、いっそこのまま。
Well, hey everyone, this is Univ here. I'm back at Revue Starlight Relive and it's finally here. Wherein B.T.M finally released this kind of shitty memoir. When I said shitty, I meant that if you happen to deal this memoir, there's no turning back. Wherein this is the Impudence memoir. Yep, Impudence. So let's go ahead and try hunting for either the featured stage girl while also bonus hunting for the memoir. So here we go. Gotcha hunting, started this! So we finally got the Surrounded by Nature memoir, wherein it featured Mahiru, and just like I mentioned, Impudence. And look at her, she's such adorable. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, it's a short video, but yeah, I kinda lazy during the recording and super late, as you can tell.